So in this session, what are you going to do is we want to relate those knowledge that we have learned in the volume of cube block and cubes, applying into the volume of liquids. Okay, so for liquid, you know that when in whatever container the liquid holding the liquid will be reshaped in that form. Okay, if I pour the liquid in a cube block, the liquid will be in the form of a cube block. If I pour the liquid in a cylinder, the liquid will be in the form of a cylinder. Okay, this part you have to be careful. So in this session, okay, what we have done so far is usually we pour liquid from one container to another container. Okay, I have reminded you that from this kind of action, pouring from one container to another container, the amounts of liquid will not be changed. Okay, so this is one thing. And then another thing is in this set of questions, it requires you to use a lot of knowledge in fractions. Okay, so we'll see there are a lot of fractions. I find it quite interesting that by reading your homework from prior charts, I found that you girls are pretty good at percentage, but it seems that you try to avoid using fractions. Am I correct, Joanna?
Yeah.
So what's so difficult about fractions for you, Joanna?
I don't know. It just kind of confuses me when it isn't like the same number at the bottom.
Same number. Can you be more specific? I don't understand. What means by the same number at the bottom?
Like at the bottom of the fraction when the number isn't the same, it just makes it confusing.
Oh, just like this, when they are different, it's confusing.
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't know how to deal with it when they are different, right? If they are the same, do you know how to deal with it?
Yeah.
Okay, it is just they are different. Okay, I see. What about you, Samantha? Are you in favor of using fractions or you try to avoid it?
I don't know. I'm with both. I guess sometimes I like to use fractions, sometimes I don't.
Do you hate fractions?
No.
Oh, that's good. What about you, Amy?
I like using fraction.
Okay, more than use percentage.
Well, I think they're both fine.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now let us begin with this question. Okay, some of you I have taught you individually, but maybe you will treat it as a review. Okay, Ruth poured an equal amounts of water into tank A and tank B as shown. Okay, tank A is half filled with water. What is the height of tank A? Okay, so the major part here is equal amounts of water. This amount refers to the volume, okay? The volume of the water that are the same for both of them, okay? So if the volume of them are the same, try to look at each of the tank, okay? Find out which one can give you the volume of the water. You will see that for the volume of a cube block, okay? What you need is base, there is the length, width, and height. You can see that in 10B, all the three required measurement is given. So you can calculate the volume of water easily by just multiplying them together, okay? Hello, Michaela. So when you multiply them together, we just use calculator, is 13440, okay, cm². Now, to find the height of tank A, okay, you will see that in tank A, the length and width are given and the height is missing. So this height is missing. You have this two. What you need is actually the volume of the cube block. Okay, so you will have 13440 is equal to 35 times 16 times the height, okay? Which means that the height is given by the total volume divided by 35 times 16, okay? So this part, I will do it a little bit quick because this is the easiest example. That is 24. Did I do it correctly? It's 24 cm. Is it the height 24 cm? Anything I have done wrong? Amy, anything I have done wrong or I forget?
I don't think so.
Now, be careful. Have I ever used this 1/2?
No.
No, I'm asking to find the height of the tank or the height of water.
Of the tank.
Yeah, this height in green is the height of water or height of the tank?
The water.
Yeah, of water, right? So be careful, I'm not done yet, okay? This is the height of the water, okay? Because this amount is the same as this amount. When I equate the volumes, I can just find out the height of the water, okay? However, we know that the tank is halfly filled, okay? Now, the height here is 24, okay? 24 cm. It is halfly filled, okay? Samantha, so what should the total height be? What is the original height if it is just halfly filled?
48.
Yeah, how do you get it?
I did 24 divided by 0.5.
Oh, okay. Okay, divided by 0.5. That's what you have done. Okay, thank you. Now, divided by 0.5 is okay. Or you can do, because it is halfly filled, okay, that means the original height is just a double. Okay, so it is 48 cm. Both are okay. Or you can even do 24, okay. You can also even do 24 divided by 1/2. Every one of it are okay. All right. If you have anything you're not sure or you want me to pause, you can send me a private message. If you find it too embarrassing to speak in front of everyone, you can send me private message, okay?